Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here's a quick lookbook I put together, starting with this yellow jean type fabric dress from Forever 21. I'm pairing it with light brown wedges from Target to bring out the brown in the buttons. The dress has a cutout right below the bust line, so you would show a little bit of skin. It also has pockets. I love that it has pockets. Now for a close-up of the dress, the back is very stretchy, so it's definitely comfortable. And of course you would have to pair all these dresses with the appropriate bra, because I clearly didn't, so just FYI. The earrings are from 𝐒𝐿𝐿. Love the boho style of their earrings. Next is this burnt orange halter neck dress that ties at the back of the neck. Like I said, you would have to wear a different bra or clear bra straps so they won't show. I paired it with the same wedges and earrings from the previous dress. This Forever 21 dress is slightly more fitted, so it accentuates your curves very nice. This yellow floral dress just makes me so happy. As you can see, I love twirling in it because it's very lightweight and airy. The dress has a stretchy back, and both the dress and shoes are from 𝐿𝐿. I kept it very simple with the jewelry just because the dress has a lot going on, so it's basically the main focus. This palm tree dress reminds me of the beach every time because it's so thin and airy you can't even use it as a bikini cover up. I paired it with the same white strappy shoes from 𝐿𝐿. Here's a close-up of this Forever 21 dress that crisscrosses at the back and has a zipper as well. As for the jewelry, I kept it simple again because the dress is a statement on its own. Another Forever 21 dress, both with polka dots. This spaghetti strap dress is more fitted from the top because it has a zipper at the back and it just flares out at the bottom. Love how this dress flatters the body so nicely. I paired the dress with the same 𝐿𝐿 shoes, and for earrings, I used some pearl white studs to tie in with the polka dots in the dress. This last sunflower dress from Ross is so bold I kept everything else simple, and with the same 𝐿𝐿 shoes. Another dress with pockets? Like, yes! It's a spaghetti strap dress, stretchy from the back and ties up at the front with buttons running all down the middle. By the way, you can make the girls as perky as you want when you tie it in the front. Just saying. And well, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, share, and comment down below which dress was your favorite. I'd love to know. Bye!